All right, so my whole claim to fame is you can change your relationship one conversation. That's all it takes is one conversation. But you got to learn the tools to do it, and you have to practice it. Okay. And so the changes I've seen can be dramatic. Certainly in my own marriage, I've seen that. These tools are not just for the workplace, but again, speaking in my marriage as well, I have all the answers. We need to solve this problem. And when my husband would shut down, he would go to pausing. He didn't feel safe. He didn't want to cause any further harm. I didn't know that. I thought he was avoiding. These are the terms that we use to people. And I thought he wasn't valuing me because I needed validation. Yeah. He needed safety. Once I figured that out, I said to him, I'd like to try something new. It's completely awkward. It feels uncomfortable because I've never talked this way before. But I simply opened up with what I teach is called perception checking. Okay. And just as a quick example, I would say, when you don't come and follow me after I've walked away, because I always wanted him to come after me to show me he loved me. And he never did that, ever, in 15 years.
We don't do that. Us guys are like, I guess we're done with this. Good, I'm going to go from here. See you later.
Exactly. So I would say, when you don't come and follow me after we have a fight, is it because you don't love me? Because that's my truth. That's my story I'm saying. Or is it because, and I had to come up with something else, it stretches my mind to open up the possibilities. And so I can't think of what I said then, but let's just say, is it because you're too angry and you're afraid you're going to say something that hurts me? Help me understand. Yeah. And because of that shift, his defenses lowered. He came and he sat on the bed and we had a 2-hour conversation, and I learned so much more because I chose to park my thoughts and come into, I need to just take a moment here and understand you. I need to ask some questions so that we can share safely, and then we can come up with a resolution.
And a lot of it is going to be, you're open to understand the person versus having to debate and rebuttal what they're saying.
Yeah, that last sentence, can you help me understand, is really sharing, I have a confusion, I have a question, I have a thought, but I don't know if I have it right. Yeah.